In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Seaside Escape mod menu for free, fully working on both iOS and Android. This method gives you access to all in-game hacks, including unlimited gems, unlimited energy, unlimited coins, and a full list of premium features. As you can see on your screen, the mod menu includes options like free shopping, unlimited resources, everything unlocked, and much more. It works on the latest version of the game, so you'll have access to all the newest features without any issues. Before you start, make sure your Seaside Escape app is updated to the latest version. Just open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, head down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where you can download Seaside Escape Double Plus Plus and how to install it step by step. Once you've followed the instructions, come back and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And if this tutorial helped, don't forget to drop a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!